Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Grand Theft Auto 5 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and you may also use the Epic Games Store if you wish. Once you are logged in and taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Grand Theft Auto 5 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or your Epic wallet balance, as well as the various payment methods that are shown within the drop-down menu. Then you will need to enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and after continuing forward, your transaction will be completed and the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation with just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the Grand Theft Auto 5 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Grand Theft Auto 5 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.